At SugarCRM, we've always been focused on reducing time spent on entering data into your CRM, as well as surfacing insights via dashboard reporting to drill into the detail. I'm super excited to give you a quick look today at Sugar Intelligence, our generative AI for opportunity insights. Let's take a look at one of our deals with James and Sons Builders to understand how we surface these insights. In our CRM, I'm going to go head over to our opportunities and I'm going to drill into my James and Sons opportunity. Here we can see at a glance insights into everything about our opportunity. We can see the current stage of where our opportunity is at using our built-in sales guide. We can see we're up to the stage now where we need to provide a quotation. On the right-hand side of here, we have our AI summary. Our AI summary is gathering data from all over our CRM, including our emails, our notes, our phone call records, any tasks, as well as any meeting details that are synced from Outlook as well. This here gives us an at-a-glance information on a summary of that data. So instead of having to drill down and look for information related to email conversations, notes, and phone calls, all of that data is brought to the surface for salespeople as well as sales managers to get an insight into where this deal is at the moment. Let's have a look and talk about some of the key elements of our opportunity summarization in Sugar CRM. Yeah, the first thing we have is our participants. So we're looking at everyone who's been involved in this deal. So all of the people that have sent us emails, people that we've had notes or meetings with, all of their names are surfaced, as well as what our key roles are within that deal as well. Based on all of the information, the AI summary also builds an intent. So that's what is the customer's feeling or perception of where we're at the moment in this deal. In this instance, the customer has requested a 5% discount and a reference call, indicating interest in proceeding if these conditions are met. So the AI is also getting a sense of where we're at in this deal. It's the pointy end of the deal. We're talking about numbers, we're talking about reference checks. The AI understands that. We've also got a useful summary of here as well. This year, again, it's bringing all of our email correspondence, it's bringing it all to the surface. Again, not needing to spend a lot of time digging for information. The CRM is just composing quick snapshots of that data so that we can get an understanding in real time. We've also got suggested actions, really powerful in being able to quickly bring up things that we could potentially miss if we need to, dig through that data and find out, what is it that we've spoken about? Did we, for example, did we mention a reference call? Had they mentioned it in the conversation? All of these suggested actions is our AI scanning all of that data that we've imported so that we can get an understanding of what is it that we need to do next. Some of the really positive feedback that we've had from our customers is that in opportunities that have been closed won or even closed lost in the past, they've actually gone back to those opportunities, and our AI summarization has actually trawled through all of that data and actually surfaced some really interesting insights, things that perhaps salespeople may have missed by just not being able to pay attention to all of the different data, the conversations. Those AI summaries actually surface really interesting insights, and some of our customers actually gone back, reopened those opportunities because there's key things that the AI suggested as potentially game-changing next steps in order to take to progress those opportunities. So again, we're letting the platform do the work. We're letting the system and AI support us in our day-to-day selling. So again, not replacing people, but really just as a tool to gain more efficiency. We can also see some pain points in our AI summary. So things that the customer may have mentioned around things that they're concerned about, as well as our competition as well. So if the customer is referred to somebody that they may be comparing us against, the AI summary is picking up on these cues and it's recording that data so we can quickly go and have a look through this data as well. So anytime you update this opportunity, it's going to look through that data and it's going to input the summary along with that as well. Now, some of this data is automatically going to be populated from our integrations with Outlook. So Sugar has a fantastic integration with Microsoft Outlook. So, for example, all of your emails are getting synced into the CRM, all those key conversations. We then have all of the AI scanning that data in a very secure privacy manner. And you've got all of that data then making these summaries more and more effective over time as well. We also do have a tool for customer service agents, very similar to our AI summarization for sellers. And we'll get into that in a little bit more detail in the next coming weeks. But our AI for customer service agents does a very similar thing. It helps them understand, what is it that we've spoken about to date? What are the key suggested next actions? Are there any pain points that we should be revisiting to help our customers and to help us understand what we need to do next? So that's been a really quick overview today. If you have any questions at all, please feel to drop a comment below, and look forward to seeing you on our next video.